Build APK in Google Studio from Android app. So this is the APK that I built. Let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, I have the option to come and then tap on the install. And after tapping on it, I have the option to simply come and then tap on this install option, and it's going to install my APK for me. And I can come and then tap on the opened, and as you can see, my app has installed successfully and it is working perfectly fine. I built it right inside Google Studio by simply using just one prompt, sending it inside Google Studio, and my APK was built. So let me show you how you can also build yours. Simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and search for Google Studio just like this, and then hit enter. When it comes, simply come and then select the official site of Google Studio. By clicking on it, it's going to bring you right here to the Google Studio platform. All that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the build. Under it, you're going to see that you have my apps here. Come and then click on it, and then all the apps that you have built inside Google Studio is going to show up just like this. Come and then select the one that you want to build the APK from. So I'm going to select this one by clicking on it. It's going to open just like this, and as you can see, the app is working perfectly fine. So to build the APK, simply come here to the chat, okay, inside Google Studio, and then come and paste in the prompt to build the APK. So you are going to get a prompt inside the video description. I have a link there. Just click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this prompt. Scroll down and then come here to Google Studio prompt to build the Dubak APK. You see that prompt start from here. Come and then put the mouse at the beginning of it, highlight it from the top to the bottom just like this. After highlighting it, come and then put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then simply come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. All that you have to do is simply come back to Google Studio and then come and paste in the prompt inside it just like this. After pasting it just like this, all that you have to do is to simply send it, and then to submit it, simply come and then click on the send button just like this, and that is it. Google Studio is going to receive your prompt, and it is going to build an automatic trigger. Okay, it is automatically going to trigger GitHub to build your APK for you, and that is it. So as you can see, it has successfully done it. It has verified everything, and all that you have to do now is to simply publish our app to GitHub for GitHub to build the APK automatically. So from the top here, simply come and then click on the publish, and then over here, come here and then come and then click on GitHub. Okay, so you see that GitHub is going to show just like this, and then you have to sign into GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, let me show you how to create a GitHub account. Simply go to Google, from Google search, come and then type in GitHub just like this, and then come and hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of GitHub by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the GitHub platform. Simply look at the top right hand corner. You are going to see that you have the sign up here. Come and click on it. You can simply come and then continue with Google to sign up or create an account. Okay, so over here, come and then choose a username that you prefer, and then make sure that the check mark, this one, okay, shows. So when the check mark shows, it means that your username is available. You can come and then check this box to receive marketing products from them, and then come and click on create account, and that is it. Your account will be created right inside GitHub. As you can see, we don't have any repo yet, so come back here to Google Studio, and then simply come and click on sign in to GitHub to continue. Over here, you have to come and then install and then authorize. Okay, so come here to where it says all repos selected. Make sure that it's selected, and then come and click on install and authorize. After clicking on it, that is it's going to bring you right here, and then you have to come and then create a repo. Come and click on create new repo. Okay, and from here, all that you have to do is simply come and then name it. So you can name it using the name of your app and then add APK to it. And then over here, where I have the description, come and then write generate APK from Android app just like this. The visibility, make sure that private is selected. And all that you have to do is simply come down here to where we have create GitHub repo, and then come and click on it. So that is it, going to show up just like this. It's going to create a repo in the main branch. Okay. And then all that you have to do is simply come down here and then come and click on stage and commit all changes. So when I click on it, that is it. It is going to create your repo in the main branch just like this. And all that you have to do is simply come and then click on close. So after creating it, all that you have to do is simply come back to GitHub. As you can see, the repo is not showing. So simply come and then click on the refresh icon here, and it's going to refresh, and your repo is going to show up just like this. Now, all that you have to do is simply come and then select it. So to select it, put the mouse on it and then click on it once, and that is it. It's going to show it and everything inside it just like this. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come here to the actions and come and click on the actions, and that is it. Automatically your APK is going to be built for you. You don't have to do anything, and that is the amazing part of this method. Okay, and as you can see, it is in progress. Okay, and just give it time, and when it is done building, you are going to see this check mark showing that your APK was built successfully. You can simply come and then click on it to open it, and from the status, as you can see, it was success, and then we have one artifact here. So when you scroll down, you are going to see that where you have the artifact, you have your debug APK right here, and then this is the file size, meaning that it is a real debug APK. So you can simply come and then click on the download to download it. So from the download, as you can see, it has successfully downloaded, and now you can simply send it to your phone, or from your phone. If you download it from your phone, simply go to your phone and then come here to where you have the file manager, come and tap on it, and then come here to all files, come and tap on it, and then from the internal storage, just tap on it. You are going to find it from the download. Okay, so from the download, come and tap on the download, and as you can see, this is our zip debug APK file. So we have to extract it, or we have to unzip it, and to do that, simply go to Play Store. Okay, so from your phone, come and then locate Play Store and then tap on it, and from the search, okay, come and tap on the search from Play Store. From the search bar, simply come and then search for Z Achiever, just this one. Okay, just tap on it to select it. So as you can see, I've successfully installed it. So install it if you haven't, then come and tap on open. After installing it, it's going to show everything on your phone just like this. All that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the download, come and tap on it. It's going to open the zip APK file. Okay, so simply come and tap on it once, and it's going to show up just like this. You have to extract it. To extract it, come and tap on extract to achieve name, and that is it, going to extract and create a folder for you. So as you can see, this is our unzipped folder. Come and tap on it once, and inside you are going to find the debug APK right here. All you have to do is simply tap on it once. It's going to show to install it. Come and tap on the install, and that's it. It's going to open this option for you to install. Simply come and then tap on the install button, and it's going to install it for you. So Play Protect is going to show you this. Don't worry. Simply come here to more details, the down arrow, come and then tap on it, and you are going to find install anyway here. Come and tap on it, and that is it. It is going to be installed, and after installing, you can come and tap on the open, and your app will open just like this, and it is working perfectly fine. So when I come here and then I come and tap on add plans, you see that to show, it means that my Android app is working perfectly fine. One thing is that it also comes with the APK. So let me close this, and then let me go to the phone. You'll see that it comes with the APK, comes with the app icon. Okay, so when I tap on the app icon, it's going to open my app, and the app is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to build and then download APK from Google Studio Android app. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.